how to use Perplexity AI for free. Using Perplexity AI for free as a platform offers a robust free tier that requires no subscription. You can access it via the Perplexity website or by downloading the app as well. So what you want to do is open up your browser, type in Perplexity on the web address bar, click onto the first link that comes, and here you want to go ahead and either create an account as well or get a subscription version, or you could just tap onto the menu bar and sign into your account as well. Now this is a free version of it. You can go ahead and use Perplexity immediately without creating an account by simply entering a query in the search bar on the home page. And if you want, you could also create a free account with your Google email or an Apple ID as well. And likewise, you could go with the standard search, that is unlimited basic searches, pro searches as well, and a deep research as well, or file uploads as well. So this way you should be able to use Perplexity AI for free. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.